Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to learn how to create a smooth, split-screen morph animation in Canva? Click the Create button. Next, choose Custom Size to set your own dimensions, or select from the available video templates shown on the screen. Select the Landscape Video option to ensure your project is formatted for horizontal viewing orientation. Next, go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type New York City and press Enter to see relevant design options. Next, locate the option labeled Image or Photo within the menu or toolbar. Select the option you prefer by clicking on it, then proceed to the next step in the process. Select an element, such as this one. Once you've made your selection, you can add additional elements if needed. Simply use the Add tool or button to include more elements, repeating the process as many times as required for your project. Select the address name and choose this image. Click to add the image to your project. Once the image appears, click and drag its corners to enlarge it to your desired size. Adjust the placement as needed to fit your design or layout requirements. We will use this image as a placeholder in our project. This will help us visualize the layout and ensure all elements align correctly before adding final content. To duplicate the image, select it, then press Ctrl and D on your keyboard. This creates an exact copy of the image, ready for further edits or placement. For the first shape, drag it diagonally up and to the right. For the second shape, drag it diagonally down and to the right. Select the first object, hold down the Shift key, then click the second object to select both. Next, click the Connect button to link them together. Next, duplicate the item by first selecting it. Hold down the Charl key and click any additional items you want to include. Once your selections are made, look for the duplicate option usually found in the right-click menu, the toolbar, or a menu at the top. Then click OK to confirm. Increase the output level by adjusting the control knob located in this section. Select the object you want to move. Then, use the arrow key on your keyboard to move it down by one position. Press the down arrow key once to shift the object exactly one step. This allows you to precisely adjust the object's placement within your workspace using the keyboard. Press the up arrow key on your keyboard. This action will move the selection upward. Now you can add your text in the designated area. Click within the text box to start typing, and format the text as needed using the available toolbar options. Type your desired text into the input field. Once you have finished typing, navigate to the Effects toolbar located on the right side of the screen. Click the Effects button to open the available options. Browse through the list and select the effect you want to apply. Click on your chosen effect to add it to your text. Adjust the effect settings as needed to customize the appearance and fit your project's needs. Add additional effects to enhance your image. We will apply these adjustments to the sky, creating a more dynamic and visually appealing overall composition. To add another, duplicate the existing item by selecting it and choosing Duplicate. After that, confirm your changes to save the new item. Continue if you need more duplicates. Drag the clip into the timeline. Next, add the notch effect by selecting it from the Effects panel. Enable the loop option within the transition settings to create a seamless repeating transition effect between your clips. Increase the duration to the maximum value, then click Apply between each option. Play this section, focusing only on the melody and how it feels to you. Don't worry about technical details right now. Simply connect with the music and let your heart guide you through the performance. Try out the split-screen morph transition in Canva for smooth, eye-catching animations. Like and subscribe for more creative tips.